Ever said a word wrong? And everyone laughed? Don't worry, you're not alone. This morning, I read my email and said I'd check my, schedule. Yeah, that. Turns out in British English, it's more like schedule. Who knew? I laughed.
Learning Correct English Pronounce Studio, where learning correct English pronunciation becomes easy and fun. Right Pronounce Studio. Welcome to Right Pronounce Studio, where learning correct English pronunciation.
Here, you'll learn how each word is spoken the right way, so you can speak with confidence. This side, wrong, but very common. Comfortable. And this side, comfortable. Quick, smooth, and natural.
Whether you're a student, teacher, or professional speaker, there's something here for everyone. Practice the tricky ones, master the elegant ones, and have a little fun along the way. Because the more you play with words, the more fluent.
Whether you're a student, teacher, or professional speaker, there's something here for everyone. Practice tricky words in real moments, learn how they sound in different accents, and pick up the confidence to use them anywhere. Speak with clarity. Speak with ease.
Here's a word that loves to keep learners guessing. Schedule. In American English, it's usually schedule. In British English, schedule. Same spelling, two perfectly good pronunciations. Which one should you use? Whichever feels natural or fits the conversation. Your calendar will understand either way.
Each video helps you learn not just the word, but also its sound, tone, and correct mouth movement. Today's word is apple. Watch carefully. Open wide. Ah. Close your lips. P. Tip of the tongue up and relaxed. Owl. Easy.
When you speak right, you feel confident, and that's the first step toward success.
Our videos help you in conversations, presentations, interviews, and daily communication.
Absolutely. It's so much easier to say what happens now. I feel confident.
And the more you practice, the more natural it sounds. Clear speech opens doors. Let's help.
Right Pronounce Studio is for learners all around the world, so everyone can speak clearly and confidently.
Daily words, funny words, and those tricky, tongue-twisting, difficult words. New videos every week. New words, new confidence, and absolutely zero boredom. Hit subscribe and join me, your pronunciation adventure,
to Right Pronounce Studio and become confident in your English pronunciation. Flurster, definitely, Wednesday, and welcome, and den canceling struggles. If it suits them, please subscribe to your online.
Learn. Practice. Speak right. Because the right pronunciation makes everything sound better.